Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nokia device, I have Nokia XR21 and I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. So first you need to open the control panel and find here these tiles, and now we need to disable all unnecessary features. So if you don't need Bluetooth right now, disable it. Disable Wi-Fi if you don't need it right now. Disable the nearby share and disable the screen recorder if you're recording video right now. Disable location services. To disable location services, you need to click on the pencil button, find here location, and drag it to the upper part of your screen. And now we have location here. Click on it and click close. Cool. The next step is to enable the battery saver mode. So open settings, open battery, and find here battery saver and enable it. Click turn on. But if you, as you can see, without the battery saver mode, our device will work 5 hours and a half, but with the battery saver mode, so it's not counting. Okay. I thought it will recount it right now, but no, it will take a while. But with the super power saving mode, our device will work really longer. In this mode, we can use only 6 applications. Here we have pre-installed 3 apps, and we can add the other 3 apps. To exit this mode, click on the exit button on the left top corner of your screen. It's cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!